Okay, coming to the next question. In each of the case, state whether the function is 1 1 onto or bijective just for your answer. So first question is explained here. Is going to explain. F is mapping from R to R defined by f of x is equals to 3 minus 4x. So it is 3 minus 4x. Now I'll see. F is mapping from real number system to real number system and check whether it is 1 1 or onto 1 1. To check for 1 1, f of x is equals to f of y. This implies f of x is nothing but 3 minus 4x is equals to 3 minus 4y. 3 minus 4x and 3 minus 4y. So this implies cancelling this 3 and 3. Minus 4x is equals to minus 4y. Minus minus will gets cancelled. 4 and 4 will cancel. Now x is equals to y. F of x is equals to f of y. This implies x is equals to y. It is right. So this implies given function f is 1 to 1 and check whether it is onto or not. From the definition of the function onto function, for each y belongs to R. For each y belongs to R, make it equate to y is equals to f of x is equals to 3 minus 4x. Now y is equals to 3 minus 4x. This is nothing but y is equals to 3 minus 4x. We wanted to get the value of x. That's why 4x is equals to 3 minus y. This implies x is equals to 3 minus y by 4. Now we'll see 3 minus y by 4. Will it belongs to real numbers? Yes, it is going to belongs to real numbers. So using this particular, now for each y belongs to R, then there exists x is equals to 3 minus y by 4 belongs to R. This is codomain. The second R is representing domain. For each y belongs to R, then there exists x belongs to R such that f of x is equals to f of 3 minus y by 4 is equals to f of x is nothing but 3 minus 4x. So 3 minus 4 into x value is nothing but 3 minus y by 4. This 4 and 4 getting cancelled. 3 minus y is nothing but 3 minus 3 minus into minus plus y. These 3 will both 3 will cancel. F of x is equals to y you are getting. So this implies f is onto just because we are getting the x value in terms of y, not making any trouble here. Now we'll see the next question. F is mapping from R to R defined by f of x is equals to 1 plus x square. Check whether it is 1 1 1 1 and onto 1 1 and checking f of x is equals to f of y. F of x is nothing but 1 plus x square is equals to 1 plus y square. 1 and 1 both will cancel. Again x square is equals to y square. Then x can be taken as plus or minus y. Plus or minus y both are belongs to y r. So this implies x is equals to y or x is equals to minus y. X is having two different images. So that's why f is not 1 1. And coming to the next, whenever x square term is going to come and relating with r, it is not 1 1. Because so this is the graph of the x square and drawing a line parallel to x axis, it will intersect the graph in two different places. That's why it is not 1 1. Now coming to the next onto definition. For each y belongs to R, same way how we did in the previous question, make this y is equals to f of x equals to 1 plus x square. This implies 1 minus 1 is equals to x square. Then x is equals to plus or minus square root of 1 minus y minus 1. Now see, inside of the square root y minus 1 is there. When it will be defined? It will be defined only it is greater than or equals to 0. When it is greater than or equals to 0, that time only it will be defined. Y minus 1 greater than or equals to 0. This implies y greater than or equals to 1. But what we are talking about, for each y belongs to R, it is valid, it is coming as valid only for the case of y greater than or equals to 1. Y greater than or equals to 1, you will get the x value, x is equals to plus or minus square root of y minus 1. But y less than 1, there does not exist, there does not exist x value which is belongs to R, such that f of x is equals to y. You will not get such kind of the x will not such kind of the x will not exist. So this implies f is not onto.